I can't do that.
Yeah, you can do it. Pucker.
Do it. Go, Nana, go.
Come on, it's too far up there. Hey, look.
Nana, can we pucker?
Oh, there I am.
Oh, is it coming off? Look, you're on TV.
Yeah,
Look at you. Pucker.
I don't know if Grandma's laughing or crying.
come on.
Kind of both.
You got like,
Why isn't it a video too?
Oh, God.
come on, I'm going.
Nana, you're famous. Look at you on TV.
You did pretty good, actually. Let's see.
It's too darn cold.
Oh, now we got to do...
Oh, the same kind of kisses I got when I was a kid. Pucker.